This isn't your average Toyota Tacoma. We built this thing the Krietz way. Lift kit, wheels, new tires, even a new interior to give this thing a whole brand new look. Let's get into it. All right, so there's more than one way of building a Toyota Tacoma. This is our way of making it both practical and aggressive. So we start off here. One of the ways you can make a Toyota Tacoma practical and aggressive is just by keeping it stock, right? Obviously you can keep it stock or just level it and then put, 33s. What we did here is we went ahead and did a 3-inch lift. So this is a 3-inch ReadyLift, and with that you're actually able to fit 35s on them. Small wheel, big tire, we got 18s on 35s. So this guy really will be able to take on a lot more of the off-road courses or trails that you're looking to go on. And I do actually kind of like more usually the smaller wheels with bigger tires. I'm a big fan of it. It's what I got on my truck. That being said, this is one of the ways to make it both practical and aggressive, right? You can do a lot of off-roading on this. It's a mean stance. When you look at it on the highway, you don't really see them usually with 35s. A lot of times people will just go up to 33s. I was surprised when I saw that. We did not do a lot of trimming at all. It was just little felt liner stuff. To get into a bigger section of off-road is the Overland style. So Overland is when you are really into the going out on a trail and just taking her camping. I know our tech Joe actually has like a fully adventure styled freaking Toyota Tacoma. This man has put a stupid amount of money in his truck. He's got the full camper on the back with an awning. He's got 35s on 17s. He's got old man Emu suspension system that is worth more than my truck right now. So he went full on. That Overlander style is the one that you will want to do true research on, or you can call one of us and we'll do the true research on how to get this thing fully trail ready and able to camp and make you comfortable for those activities, right? And so that is a little bit more of an aggressive style of actual off-roading, whereas this is something that you can do trails and stuff in. But obviously if you wanted to do that Overlander style, you have to add all those accessories. I actually wouldn't be mad at saying this wheel and tire combo is perfect for that Overland setup, especially since these are Trail Tech RTs. So they are an RT tire. With the ReadyLift kit we have on here, I would want to add a lot more components to this to make it, if you're good, it depends on the trail. Taking on trails and making trails very fun to go on is two different things in and of itself. This guy can take on a lot of trails, but it's not going to be the most comfortable thing, whereas that old man Emu setup, Joe has a phenomenal time on that thing. So, sorry for exposing your truck, Joe, but it is beautiful. But for me and 90% of the people on earth, this is gonna be the perfect truck for stance, your versatility and look, the leather on the inside, the comfort of the ride. This is golden. If you wanna see Toyota Tacomas like this or compare the different models that we've done, go visit our gallery at KreitzCustoms.com and see all the different ones that we've finished. All right, why we chose a ReadyLift SST kit to go on this vehicle. So this is a 3.0 SST kit. There are also 3.0 regular kits that are a little bit more advanced than this. This kit is the all-around kind of perfect style for highway riding. If you're going on trails, this thing is also capable. I would recommend personally to upgrade that suspension a little bit. So far as I know, a lot of kits will have, for Toyota Tacomas, will have different leaf springs, and then you can do replacement shocks as well. This is an SR5, so it's really easy to upgrade that kit. But with this kit, the SST is both not a crazy price, whilst you getting heavy duty upper control arms, spacers in the front and rear. The upper control arms themselves make this kit kind of worth it for me. And having the front and rear spacers, giving it that perfect height for 35s, as well as keeping the alignment true to what it is from Toyota, that's a big deal to me. It's an easy kit. It is very comfortable. It keeps a lot of the ride quality because the spacer, some spacers won't actually fit that well, whereas these ones fit perfectly. Highway riding, light trails, and cost-wise, this kit is perfect, especially since it can fit 35s and give you that look. So that is why we chose this ReadyLift 3.0 SST kit. 35 1250 18 AVIX Trail Tech RT tires wrapped on with 18x9 fuel covert. That is beautiful in and of itself. The stance of this vehicle is sweet. The offset, you're sitting about 1.5 inches out, which looks very good. You can't really see it from this guy, but if you look back there, you'll see it. And then one of the other things I did want to do was just kind of go around the vehicle, go inside to show you something that we did and that we do offer so that you guys know it for the future, as well as just show you the inside of the Tacoma, the new one in 2025. So let's head on in there. Okay, so as you guys can tell, we've got Katzkin leather in here. I don't even know what to call this pattern on here, but it looks freaking sick and it matches up really well with the truck. This leather does make this seat insanely comfortable. It is just the regular seat, and we put leather over top of it, which adds a little bit more cushion, but I like the feel of leather for some reason and compared to cloth. So this is very comfortable for me. And we've got our Krietz badge up here. We got the mountain, and then obviously this vehicle is a mid-sized truck, and so for me, I'm putting the seat all the way back to drive, even though I'm only 6 foot, 6'1". And so with that being said, when the seat's all the way back, if I do have somebody try to get back here, we're chopped, man. This is a bad deal. We're talking safety hazard, freaking emotional hazard, mental hazard, biohazard. If you brought together 50 countries and asked if this, sitting like this, with the seat this close was torture, I bet 45 would say yes. I'm just laying it out there. 110%. In the comments, tell me if you agree. Anyways, Toyota, you gotta make a mega cab Tacoma. Has to happen. But this does fold down to give you access to your jack and other utilities, and then you've got USB-C and USB back here as well. And in the front, you actually have 3 USB-C ports and a new found cigarette lighter, just a USB port for one of those crappy plug-in things that breaks after 2 weeks. And then you've got one on the side, a USB-C next to the TV. I believe you actually can upload like movies and stuff onto the TV, is what it's there for, which is really cool. One of the beautiful things about them, the Tacomas at least, they're basic enough to where it's not a ton of fanciness in the vehicle, to where it doesn't feel wrong to work in it. If you're looking to purchase leather like this, or a ton of different styles we have, please visit our site. You can see a lot of them there. And give us a call to get a quote on installing that leather into your truck. I'm about to do it here soon as well, because I'm getting dang sick and tired of my cloth seats. All right, guys, this is our lifted, big tire, small wheel package, Toyota Tacoma SR5 2025 with Katzkin leather on the interior. If you have any questions about this vehicle and want to purchase it, or if you want to build anything like this, or like this TRD off-road one we got right here, please give us a call at 301-694-4642. We'd be more than happy to go over it with you about that one as well, and anything about this, or get you guys set up if you already have a Tacoma and you want it built like this or crazier. We'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to Krietz Customs to win a free set of wheels and tires. If we hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, we'll be giving away a set just like this, a 35, 12, 50, 22 Fury Country Hunter on a 22x12 fuel wheel. If you want those, go ahead and subscribe to Krietz Customs, and we will see you when we give you those wheels away.